Hello, everyone, and I hope you all are doing great. Today is day 29, and we are closer to the 30 days challenge. Today's lesson is very important. Today, we are going to learn about the most feared part, that is IELTS speaking. In this advanced session, we will learn about IELTS speaking tips and advanced questions and details of the answers. So, stay with me and let's start. Good morning. Let's talk about work and studies. Question number one. What do you do? What do you enjoy most about your work or studies? What would you like to change about your work or studies? Hometown. Where is your hometown? What do you like most about your hometown? Has your hometown changed in recent years? Technology. How often do you use technology? What technology do you find most useful? Do you think people depend too much on technology? Free time. What do you usually do in your free time? Do you prefer spending free time alone or with others? English learning. Why are you learning English? What is the most difficult part of learning English for you? These all questions are IELTS speaking part 1 question that examiner may ask you. Don't answer with one sentence only. Instead, use this formula. Answer, reason, and example. For example, the question is, do you enjoy learning English? Your answer, yes, I do. Then give a reason. I particularly enjoy improving my speaking skills because English allows me to communicate with people from different backgrounds. Now add one example. For example, I regularly practice speaking through online conversations and educational वीडियोस। पार्ट वन में सिर्फ यस आई डू कहकर स्टॉप ना करें। आंसर को नेचुरली एक्सटेंड करें। आंसर दें, फिर उसका रीज़न बताएं और फिर एक एग्जाम्पल ऐड करें। लेकिन अननेसेसरली लॉन्ग आंसर भी नहीं देना। क्यू कार्ड सेक्शन, which is part 2. Describe a skill you would like to learn. You should say what the skill is, why you want to learn it, how you would learn it, whether it would be difficult, and explain how this skill would benefit you. You have 1 minute to prepare. You should speak for 1 to 2 minutes. आपके पास प्रिपरेशन के लिए 1 मिनट है, फिर आपको अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2 मिनट बोलना है, जिसके लिए आप कीवर्ड लिखें। कंप्लीट सेंटेंस प्रिपेयर करने की कोशिश ना करें ताकि टाइम ज़ाया ना हो। यूज़ दिस स्ट्रक्चर: व्हाट, व्हेन, वेयर, डिटेल्स, फीलिंग्स, व्हाई इट मैटर्ड। You can begin, I would like to talk about, then develop the idea naturally. Band 7 to 8 sample answer could be, I would like to talk about public speaking, which is a skill I have always wanted to improve. I have had several situations where I knew exactly what I wanted to say. But when I had to speak in front of other people, I became nervous and struggled to express my ideas clearly. If I had the opportunity, I would practice this skill through regular presentations and speaking clubs. I would also record myself speaking and analyze areas such as pronunciation, fluency, and vocabulary. At first, I think it would be quite challenging because speaking in front of an audience can be stressful. However, with regular practice, I believe I would become much more confident. And most importantly, this skill would benefit me professionally because effective communication is essential in almost every career. It would also help me express my ideas more confidently in everyday situations. इस आंसर में स्पीकर ने डिफ़िकल्ट वोकेबलरी को अननेसेसरली यूज़ नहीं किया। आंसर नेचुरल है, आइडिया कनेक्टेड है, एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है और आंसर को लॉजिकली डेवलप किया गया है। ये अप्रोच आपको फॉलो करनी चाहिए। Now let's discuss the topic more generally. Question 1. Why do some people find it difficult to develop new skills? Question 2. Do you think schools should focus more on practical skills? Question 3. How has technology changed the way people learn? Question number 4. Is online learning as effective as classroom learning? Question number 5. Should employer be responsible for developing their employee skill? Question 6. What skills will be most important in future? For giving answers of part 3 section, use this formula. Opinion, reason, example, result or contrast. For example, question is, should employer provide trainings? Simple answer could be yes, I believe employers should provide regular trainings because workplace requirements are constantly changing. For example, employer may need to learn new software or digital system. As a result, training can improve both productivity and employee confidence. However, employees should also take responsibility for their own personal and प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट। पार्ट थ्री में सिर्फ अपनी ओपिनियन देना इनफ नहीं होता, आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है ओपिनियन, रीज़न, एग्जाम्पल एंड रिजल्ट, और एडवांस्ड आंसर में कंट्रास्ट भी ऐड कर सकते हैं। मिसाल के तौर पर हाउएवर, ऑन द अदर हैंड, नेवरदलेस। Here are few more examples of cue card sections and the detail that how you can structure your answer. Don't try to memorize a complete answer. Use keywords, speak naturally, and develop your ideas. And use this formula. What, when, where, details, feelings, and why it matters. Speaking part 3 are completely the follow up questions about the cue card section. Use this formula: opinion, reason, examples, and result. For speaking part 1, don't answer with one sentence only. Use this formula: answer, reason, and example. If today's lesson helped you and improved your IELTS speaking skills, then subscribe to Sarah and Boniface Inspirations and continue with us through the final day of IELTS 30 Days Challenge. That is tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow on 30th day, that is our final challenge day. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. And I will see you tomorrow on final day of our IELTS 30 Days Challenge.